Hi friends, welcome to Steeplechaser Medicos channel. This is my first video for Medicos, and today we are going to see about the pulmonary function test, also called spirometry test. This test is actually used to assess the functioning capacity of our lungs. It is mainly used to differentiate between obstructive and restrictive lung disease. First, in order to know the pathology of these both, we have to know about the basics of this PFT. Basically, there are like 4 volumes and 4 capacities. The 4 volumes are tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, and residual volume. And the 4 capacities are inspiratory capacity, vital capacity, also called forced vital capacity, functional residual capacity, and total lung capacity. Now we'll see each volumes and each capacities definition with normal value in detail. First, being the tidal volume. Tidal volume is the volume of air either entering or leaving the lungs in one respiratory cycle, that is during a quiet respiration, and its normal value is, that is the amount of air is 500 ml. Tidal volume normal value is 500 ml. The second volume is inspiratory reserve volume. It means the extra volume of air that can be forcibly inspired with maximal efforts after reaching the end of normal quiet inspiration. That is, after reaching the normal tidal volume, inspiring the air forcibly with maximal efforts. That volume is called as inspiratory reserve volume. Normal value is around 3000 ml. And there is a normal range, it's around 1900 to 3300 ml. That's like 1.9 liters to 3.3 liters. The third volume is expiratory reserve volume. It is defined as the same thing as inspiratory reserve volume. It is also the extra volume of air that can be forcibly expired. There it is inspired, here forcibly expired with maximal efforts after reaching the normal expiration. That is, after reaching the normal tidal volume. Before itself we saw tidal volume is the air entering or leaving the lungs during respiration, normal respiration. So after reaching that tidal volume, above that forcibly expired air is called expiratory reserve volume. The normal expiratory reserve volume is around 1000 ml, and normal range is around 900 to 1300 ml. That is like 0.9 to 1.3 liters. Okay. The fourth volume is residual volume. It is the volume of air that remains, it is the remaining volume of air that remains in the lungs after maximum forceful expiration. So after forceful expiration, the remaining volume of air in the lungs is called residual value. Residual volume. The normal value is around 1200 ml and normal range is 1000 to 1200 ml. That is like 1 to 1.2 liters. With this, the four volumes of the lungs, the definition with its normal value and normal range is over, and I would like to make a diagram for this four normal values. We'll see four of the volumes with this diagrammatic representation. Imagine this as one alveoli and we inspire air. When inspiring, the normal volume of air entering or leaving the lungs during respiration is this pink color tidal volume, and after that normal inspiration with maximum force you inspire the air, that is the inspiratory reserve volume, and after inspiratory reserve volume maximally inspiration we expire the air out, and that is this green one, that is expiratory reserve volume, and after that the remaining volume of air in the lungs left behind is called the residual volume, and this is the dead space. All the four volumes of lung is complete.